Okay, finally got my hands to the Spot Contact Lens by Lurge Parade. This is the Spot Contact Lens by Lurge. Like, my best right here. As much as I want to try everything, like every style, I only have two clear contact lens cases here. So, dalawa lang yung isa-swatch natin ngayon. And I'm gonna choose two favorites na lang. Okay, tatlo pala yung matatry ko ngayon kasi I have na pala yung Look Sky, which is one of my favorite from the collection. And yun yung unahin natin. Period. So, this is what Look Sky looks like on my eyes. Every time I wore this, I feel like a DNA ko si Bianca Refo. Basta the blue eye girl from TikTok. Like, sobrang rare ko lang magsuot ng blue contact lens. But this contact lens is giving natural blue eye. It's not giving bayawak. Gets ba? Like, period. And now we are wearing Mood Brown. I think this is gonna be an instant favorite, a crowd favorite. Like, gets ba? This style is giving me very doe eyes effects because of the ring. This actually reminds me of Olens, which is I like. And ganda! This actually makes my makeup look now more innocent. Like, hindi ka ba naawa sa akin? Check. Okay, this is what the case looks like pala. It's branded. It has spot here and meron na siyang mga tools for the safety purposes. Actually, I'm contemplating if I'm gonna try the Mood Choco and Cacao Field. Pero since nakatry na tayo ng Mom or Mood on Mute series, let's try naman some field notes. This is the Cacao Field. So, wow, this shade, oh my god. It really like enhances my brown eyes lang. And mas pinalaki lang yan ng very light. Wow. Ganda na ito din. Lurge! Ang hirap mamili. This one is like a perfect daytime or daily contact lens na hindi mo makaklock if I'm wearing contact lens right now because it looks very natural. This is just enhances my brown eyes. Like, ala siya naging brown. Okay, zoom ko kayo a little and this is what it looks like sa malipitan. Oh my god. Period. So, may pahabol kasi Lurge told me to try the Look Brown. Okay. Gets. Lurge, you're right. I mean, no-brainer naman siguro that I'm biased for brown contact lenses. But this one, I think this is perfect kapag mga dark feminine or smoky eye kasi it's like a light brown moment. Yeah, very Latina. Okay, let's talk about the comfiness. Actually, I feel na parang wala akong lagay na contact lenses. That's what I felt. Which is kind of scary kasi nung ginamit ko yung Look Sky for the first time, girl, nakatulog ako sa Grab kasi feeling ko wala akong contact lens na suot. For the price, I think it's pretty reasonable for $5.99 kasi it's 3 months of usage. Unlike kapag bumili ka ng ibang dailies na around like the same time, tas 10 pieces lang. And this one, you can use it at 3 months. So, I think that's really, really cool. For the styles, I think naman they're all wearables. And kita nyo naman, fresh, ang ganda, period. Anyways, yun lang muna from this collection. Let me know what style you want me to wear next. Yun lang. Bye! Mwah.